Good morning. This is our paper, which is titled Textile Pollution Reduction, Circular Economy in the Textile Industry. My name is Paolo Maldonado, and he is my partner, Martín Paniagua. We are electromechanical engineering students at UTN FRP, and today we are going to talk about important factors that not only affect the textile industry, but also the environment.
Textile industry is a big helper to increase in soil, water, and air pollution due to its current production model, whose name is fast fashion. This model is based on the large production of low cost and low quality clothing, which implies a greater consumption of natural resource and generation of textile waste. This situation, uh, this situation raises the need to make textile industry more sustainable to stop its environmental impact.
To achieve this article focuses on the importance of a circular economy in the textile industry to reduce waste generation by reduction, reuse, and recycling. On the other hand, the principal purpose of this paper is to discuss how the circular economy can enter in the textile industry to reduce waste generation.
To achieve this aim, this paper is organized as follows. In the first place, a description of the problem related to fast fashion, the causes that give its origin, and consequence that can generate, the consequence that can generate are going to be described. In the second place, the model of production and consumption called circular economy is going to be described. Once explained, different types of circular economy are going to be introduced. Finally, an analysis and discussion about its feasibility in relation to this problem is introduced with the aim of raising awareness about the need to reduce the textile pollution.
This paper is expected to contribute to analysis of the environmental problem of textile industry, which increases soil, water, and air pollution. Also, it is expected that this paper will contribute to demonstrating the importance of having a sustainable production model in the industry and promoting its inclusion in the field of electromechanical engineering.
In the 90s, a new production model was introduced in the textile industry for the launch, which called make new collections within a matter of weeks, reducing production times, but also increasing its environmental impact, whose consequence was increase the pollution produced.
Although fast fashion has reduced production times and provided access access to affordable fashion clothing for millions of people, it has also generated a considerable amount of textile waste and contributed to environmental pollution in various ways, such as textile waste generation, intensive intensive use of water, and use of chemical and synthetic materials.
In this chart, it is possible to observe the increase of environmental impact if fast fashion remains inside textile industry. Now, circular economy is a model of production and consumption that is based on sustainable practice to keep products and materials in closed loop cycles. This model is divided into different types. However, each one achieves reduced pollution by different means.
Continuing with this, I am going to talk about 3 types of circular economy that can be used in the textile industry. The first type is downcycling. This model takes discarded product and transforms it into a new product. But this new product is less valuable than the original product. For example, some companies transform old and discarded clothes into drugs. The second type of circular economy is upcycling. This is like downcycling because takes a discarded product and transforms it into a new product. However, this new product is is most valuable than the original product. For example, in Brazil, there is a company that transforms discarded t-shirts into juice. The first type of circular economy is cradle to cradle. This is different from a previous model. So its model consists of keeping products, a product circulating in the market. That is, this model successfully renews the useful lives of the products. For example, some clothing brands use recyclable textile fibers in their products so that the fiber can be recovered when the products are discarded.
According to information analyzed around this paper, the next advantage and disadvantage have been obtained. Downcycling provides a simpler method to convert discarded textile products into new products. However, this do not generate a large income for the industry. Upcycling, despite generating higher value products, this faces challenges in terms of production and sales times due to the erroneous perception face challenge in terms of production and sale times due to the erroneous perception of being second-hand products. And to close, Cradle to Cradle encourage the development of innovative and sustainable technology and materials, but its adoption is too expensive in comparison with the previous model types presented.
In conclusion, the current production model is not sustainable. due to its great environmental impact. Although the present approaches in this paper contribute greatly to reduce waste generation, textile waste, sorry, they are not totally sustainable because they continue and generate environmental impacts. Therefore, it's essential to invest in the new techniques developments and technologies to achieve future mitigate pollution. Before the close, we would like to especially thanks teacher Maria Laura Solier for her contribution to the development of this work.
Here, these are the reference used around this paper.
Thank you for your attention.